Are the excuses actually valid, or should you still work out while on your period? Welcome back to Living TV for Women. I'm your host, Jessica Rumbaugh, and I specialize in teaching the ladies how to live lean. And here on Living TV, I'm responsible for tackling those topics that only women understand and problems that only women deal with. So sorry dudes, but this one is not for you. However, you may want to stay tuned because this does affect your loved ones. Your wife, your girlfriend, your daughter, your cousins, your friends, any woman that is in your life is going to go through these issues from time to time, and you may want to listen to this advice so you know what to tell her. As a female fitness pro, I get asked this question a lot. Should I work out on a period? Do you work out on your period? What are the pros and cons of working out on your period? And the reason we even have this discussion is because, as you already know, it is the last thing you feel like you want to do when you're on your period. You've got the cramps, you've got the bloating, discomfort, just all-around cranky mood, irritability. All those symptoms are they seem like a really valid excuse to say, no workout today. I'm just gonna lay in bed and eat chocolate and watch movies and cry myself to sleep. But that is not actually what's gonna make you feel better. The one thing that really makes a difference and really makes me feel better, and I hear this from other women too, is when you actually do give yourself a kick in the butt and get to the gym. I promise this is the one solution that is both natural and safe and really makes a huge difference in boosting your mood, eliminating the cramps, and just making you feel all around better. Now, everyone's period is different, and you're gonna have to make your own personal decision on whether or not you actually can work out during your period. If you have some really severe symptoms, you may want to see your doctor and talk about a painkiller and make sure that everything is working properly. But if your symptoms are pretty mild, then definitely a workout is something that is highly recommended to make you feel a lot better. I used to think that a period was a time to just relax and take a few days off from exercise, but now I actually feel the exact opposite way. And if I take a day off and I just stay in bed, I feel miserable the whole time. Versus if I actually get my butt up and out, I actually feel better. It's so easy just to make the excuse, I'm on my period, I don't feel well, I'm gonna skip my workout, but in the end this could really set you back and make you feel even worse. So try to look at the big picture and see your period as just a little obstacle that you have to overcome, and not as an excuse to not get the work done that is going to better your life. So there's really no benefit to not working out during your period. You may feel like you don't want to work out just because you're tired or lethargic, or you feel like your workout's not going to be good quality anyway, so why bother? But the truth is, there's way more benefit to working out during your period. It actually is the one thing that could make you feel better. So why not do a workout, even if it's just something gentle, like going for a walk or doing a light yoga sequence? It could be the thing that actually gets you out of your pajama pants and feeling like a real person again. Don't think that your exercise has to be super intense during your period. You don't have to set a personal record, and you don't have to beat the person next to you in the gym. Just get yourself somewhat active, and the whole sole purpose being to make yourself feel better rather than feel worse. I'm sure you've heard that inversions can be dangerous and kind of reverse the blood flow if you go upside down, like in a handstand or a down dog position. But that's actually not true. It's pretty safe for you, and I wouldn't worry about it too much unless you're spending a couple hours on your head. If it's just for 5 to 10 minutes, go ahead and do it. It's not going to harm your period, and you should be just fine. I personally like to do all sorts of inversions and yoga poses when I'm on my period. That is what feels best to me. But a lot of times I find that if I just get my booty out the door, I can muster up a pretty good workout just after that initial blood starts to flow. The cramps start to ease, and then all of a sudden I feel really good, and then I have a great workout. It's happened to me so many times, and every month it's still like a shock. I'm like, wow, that was way better workout than I expected it to be. So I challenge you to get out there, go work out despite your lack of energy, despite feeling yucky. Exercise really does release endorphins. It really is a mood enhancer, and it's going to make you all around a happier, easier person to be around. So when you're on your period, go work out. Do it not just for you to feel better and relieve the cramps, but do it for your loved ones and for those boys who, if you're watching this video, thank you so much for your patience and love during this tough period, because every woman goes through it. And it is a struggle, but it makes us stronger because of it, right? So thank you so much for staying tuned for this episode today, and hopefully this advice helped you, and we're working on feeling better and just living a healthier, happier, better life all around. So make sure you're subscribed to Lively TV, subscribe buttons down below, Give this video a like and share it with anyone who struggles with their periods or figuring out when and how to work out. We're here to help, so leave us a comment below, and we love hearing from you guys and connecting with you guys, so also tweet us and Facebook us. My Twitter handle and my Instagram handle are right here, so make sure to connect with me outside of YouTube. I'll see you guys next Thursday. This is Jess with Living TV for Women. I love you and thank you for watching. Teach you how to progress from girly push-ups into real push-ups.